In this video, I am going to show you how you can make money for absolutely free by listening to music and doing some simple steps that even a kid can do. And I'm going to show each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn and implement everything right after watching this video. So watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash that like button before watching this video. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is just search on Google for MIXKIT mix kit, okay, and then just click on this link and you will be able to visit to this site. Now just simply click on this music and then in this genre, just click on this genre and go to this hip hop. You can go with this acoustic also or hip hop into select one. However, you can go with any other genre, but it is the preferred genre where you can download lots of free music, okay? So that's why I'm recommending these two. So let's select hip hop for now. And here you can see there are lots of music that you can listen and download. So the music that you can download are with this button, okay? As you can see, here is no any button, so you can just listen to this music, okay? And if you listen to this music, then you can also download this music. So that's the thing that you need to understand. Now firstly, now your actual job is to listen to this music and see which are the best in your mind, okay? You don't need to be like totally expert. Just click on this button and listen. And if you think it is good, just click on this download button and then you will be able to download this music in an easy way. Once you have downloaded that, then again you can listen to other music and repeat the process. Download as much music as you can, okay? And then once you have downloaded everything, then make sure to place everything in one place, like put it in one folder so that you don't miss it. So you can click on it and play this music and see if it's working. So as you can see, it is playing. So it is playing and the music is good, okay? So now let's cut it and again open our ear. So this is going to be the step one. Do this. Now however, if hip hop music is finished, which is a little bit impossible, okay, then you can go with acoustic. And if acoustic is also finished, then after that you can go with other track and find out, okay? Now just again go to Google and type upload dash forever. This whatever it is here, exactly type this and then you will be able to visit to this site. Just click on it and you'll be able to visit to this interface of this site and just scroll below and here you can see how you can earn money. So as you can see or read here, you just need to upload those music that you have downloaded from Mixkit. And however, Mixkit is a site where you can literally download everything for free and you don't even need to give any attribution to the creator, okay? So you can literally download from there and then upload it at Updash forever and it will pay you money. So this is one of the simple way to make money online and I am going to cover everything in a step-by-step process. So that watch this video till the end and don't forget to smash that like button and do subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. And let me show you more about this website, okay? So the thing, there are 4 different ways you are going to get paid, okay? One, I already told you, it is paper download. So this is paper sale where you can earn up to like 85% if the person who you referred have bought the premium account, and if they just renew your premium account, then you are going to get 70%. So this mix is also a similar manner. And the referral means you bring those people who are going to bring other users, okay, not the like referral people. So for example, if you are referring to other people, then you become the main person who brings people to the site, okay? But if you invite other people like you, okay, who are going to bring more people in the site, then in that case you are going to make money out of him also. That would be 10%. And another way you can earn is by selling the file. Now it comes to the payment methods. So they have lots of varieties of payment methods, so you don't need to worry about it where you are going to withdraw your money, okay? You can literally withdraw to any of these wallets or Bitcoin or whatever it is, Payoneer, Skrill, Nettler, wherever you want to withdraw, you can easily withdraw. And if you are in a country where you are not able to make account, verified account of any of these account, then just go with Perfect Money. Okay, I've already created a tutorial on that, how you can create an account on Perfect Money, and you don't even need to verify your account of Perfect Money. Charges will be a little bit higher, but you can easily do transactions in Perfect Money, okay, without even verifying the account. So now finally the last thing that you need to do is you need to sign up to this account of this website. Okay, so just click on sign up and open it, and you'll see this kind of interface. And now you can put your username, password, that thing you can do, or you can directly click on Google and you can literally sign up with your Gmail address. So in my case, this is going to be my Gmail. So now I have already signed up to this account. So it is this much simple to make an account on this Hopdash Forever. So now when you see this interface for the first time, just go to payment information and fill out the payment information. Whichever payment method you want to choose, just choose it from here. Okay, and then let's go back again. Now I'll show you how you can upload your file. Okay, just click on this upload. It is also extremely simple. Just click on upload and read this warning: you cannot upload like pornographic files. Okay, and you should make sure you have disabled the ad blocks. Once you have done that two things, just click on choose file, and wherever the file is on your folder, just go to there and click on that file and click on open. Now make sure you have selected this public. Okay, it may be on ticked at here. Make sure tick mark it. Okay, and then click on start upload. One more step, what you can do is you can write some description. Okay, in description what you need to do is from whichever place you have downloaded the music, just copy the name and the author, the creator's name, and just copy it. Okay, and then paste it, so it will enhance your search. So what you can do is now click on start upload, and you can wait for some seconds for your file to be uploaded. Now once your upload is completed, then just click on this and then click on my files. Now scroll below wherever your file is, look at it, and then click on this pencil icon. Now scroll below and state your price. Whatever price you want to put, just put it at here, and make sure the public is selected, and then click on submit. However, you can also select premium only, it's your choice, but for now just click on submit. Once submitted, you can see the price is set to be 7. Now repeat the process again and again, and soon you will start to see money. That's it.